Okay, I'm going to show you how I use the swivel on the water-fed brush. As you can see, I'm actually cleaning sidewards, scrubbing sidewards, like that, scrubbing to the edges. Very easy, pretty close to the window as well. And you can see the ease I'm cleaning it sidewards. None of this up and down motion. We haven't got any water bars to rinse. As you can see, when you're scrubbing sideways like this, the water is flushing down the glass already. Just give a quick rinse. So now here's the higher windows, and I'm reasonably close to the windows, but as you can see, scrub sidewards into the edges there. Scrub the frames from either side. And it's rinsing as it goes, but I'll just give a final rinse. Here we just do into the edges and the corners. Give it a good scrub. Rinse. Just give it a quick rinse, just to be sure. And now what I'll do is I'll step back a couple of feet, and you can see it's still scrubbing sidewards, except there. But you can see how easy it is. There's no up and down motion, just side motion. There's no need to have rinse bars and all that sort of stuff. And well, I suppose that's about it.